Hello Bladers! Who would have thought that some of the love song hits created by singers all over the world would be inspired by cars and driving? Well, here are some to further educate you. Welcome to our Daily Drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Love songs inspired by cars and driving. Number 1, Maybelline by Chuck Berry. Number 2, Gas 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 by Manuel. Number 3, Slow Ride by Foghat. Number 4, First of Summer, Urban Dub. Number 5, Jeepney Love Story, Yang Constantino. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.